Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that doesn't cost much, man. If you're able to find a shoe in your size, you can find it for a good price in stores, but in StockX, it kind of got a higher up price on it if it's a lower size or whatever the case may be. We're talking about a Retro 1, not a normal Retro 1, a Retro 1 mid. Normally I would stay away from Retro 1 mids, but this colorway was clean. I feel like later on down the line the shoe is going to be talked about and it's going to be worth something in a couple years, man, because this colorway normally goes for a lot of money, and any Retro 1 silhouette that they come out with, it normally goes for a lot of money, man. We're talking about the black and gold and white colorway. As you know, the mids that came out a while back, a couple years back, maybe like a decade ago, even longer than that, the black and gold 1 mids go for a lot of money on the resale value now. So you know, these probably go for some money too. But before I show you this shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's try to get this video to 500 views and 40 likes. Follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, don't forget, if you guys want to get any of this Penny for Your Thoughts merch, as you can see, I got the black hoodie with the orange P4YT sign with the black and orange hat. You guys can email us at P4YT2016@gmail.com. Enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Retro 1 mid white, black, gold colorway. Shoe is clean, man. Too clean to pass up, man, for the price I got them for. Couldn't pass them up, man. But let's get into it. As you can see, it's pretty much black pad leather all around the shoe. Except for on the swoosh, you got a gold pad leather swoosh here. Got the white leather in the inside here. In the toe box, you got the white leather. Got the white mesh tongue, white shoestrings. They also come with additional black shoestrings. As you can see, you got the Air Jordan logo with the wings right here in gold. Pad leather through the back. Got the pad leather gold here, white in the inside here. Black sole, of course, man. But this shoe is clean, man. Got the Jordan Air logo, not your normal Retro 1 logo on here. But this the logo that comes on most of the mids. But yeah, man, it's just a very clean shoe, man, that couldn't be passed up, man. For $120, you know, plus tax in New York is $130. It's a very clean shoe. It's very well put together, clean. It shocked me how good this shoe looked when I looked at it. I was like, wow, this shoe is really clean, man. Like, I really need to, you know, get my hands on a pair of these and keep a pair of these, man, because these are clean, man. Later on, I think a lot of people are going to be looking for this shoe in smaller sizes, and maybe even bigger sizes. But the shoe is clean, man. They look good on foot. And they feel good. You know, Retro 1s, they feel okay, but these kind of feel good. I don't know if it's because it's a mid or whatever the case may be, but it feels good, man. It feels good on your foot. A lot of people, like, I'm going to save my probably for the summertime, pull them out, you know, do some P4YT merch to go with it, of course. But clean shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. Like, overall, I think the shoe is clean, man. It's a very good looking shoe. If you disagree, man, leave it in the comments below. We can talk about it in the comments below, but these are clean, man. Very clean shoe. Sheesh. They should have made this a high. If this was a high, these joints be going for some chicken. That's a fact if this was a high. Let me know what you guys think, man. Leave in the comments below if you guys think otherwise. But you know I gotta rate this shoe, man. So out of 5 pennies, man, I'm gonna have to give this shoe, man, 4.5, man, because this is clean, man. Just because it's a mid, this shouldn't take away anything from a shoe. This shoe is clean. I even got my son a pair. If y'all want me to do a video on my son pair, man, leave it in the comments below. I'll definitely do that. But these are clean. 4.5, man. Can't go wrong. These are colorways you could do. These are colors you could do every day. White, black, with a little bit of gold. You could do that every day. It's very clean, man. But don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.